Yo, what's up everyone? Civic X here. So today is the day that I will be going lower in my Civic. I would like to thank Cameron. I will put his Instagram name right here so everyone can go check him out, give him a follow. For the big thanks for giving me these beautiful coils, K-Sport series for free. Yeah, you heard that, for free. Can't believe that. It's gonna be amazing. Me and my buddies are gonna try and install them today, and I will do a little before and then after to see how lower I got. I'm on Megan Racing Springs right now. It's about, I think, 1.5 inch drop I am on right now on springs, and then with these ones on the Trigo 2, or I'll try not to go a little bit lower because I really don't want to be rubbing, of course. And well, we'll see how they do fit on them, you could say. But I can't thank you enough, Cameron. Thank you very much for supporting this build, the base model build gang. But yeah, for sure, we'll see how this goes. Deuces. Got one out. Other one's almost out.
I need that.
I'm pretty good. Alright, so we got this one adjusted. Is what we have it now. But this one's giving us a little bit of problems. When we try to adjust this right here, it just keeps moving this whole middle part. So we're gonna try to look it up in here, thinking that's a little bit, I guess, rusted or whatever. So this whole part can move and be fixed. Stay tuned. We can't get that in.
I started this shit now.
Bro,
Can't even put
you
it back
give
again.
up? Oh, I'm gonna try this shit. I can't. Holy fuck.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Alright everyone, so we installed this back one so far. It's right now the other side's jacked up, so it looks like that. This side looks way lower just to it being jacked up, but just wait till it's settled and I'll give an update on my Instagram. But holy shit, this looks hella fresh. What? I'm stoked. I'll show more progress in a little while. Later. Yo, alright everyone, so this is how my car looks like now, lowered perfectly. You can tell that it is a little bit tucking in the front, just a tiny bit, but I still love it way better from before. But the back, holy shit, your boy's tucking in the back. So the back is maxed out, but maxed out with the couplings in the back. It's really nice. I really do love the look. And for the front, I would say at least maybe 2.5 inches, maybe, or 2.25. Way better than the springs I had before. But holy shit, guys, this looks amazing. I still couldn't have done it with my friend Cameron, but god damn, this looks nice. Still have more process to do with the other build and so forth. By build I mean by this car. But when I was going on a speed bump the other day, you could say that my diffuser came off, just the middle part, sadly. This whole thing came off, this whole plastic piece came off. But I did put it back on the same day, so that's a good part. But goddamn, this looks super clean now. I don't know what I'll do with the springs. I'll probably sell them or just keep them just in case. But what do you guys think? Better? Not better? Needs more low? I'm pretty sure most of you will say more low, but damn, super nice. If I go more low, then rip my car, because all the bumps here are really trash. And this is like the best I really want to do. But I'm really happy with the progress. But let's see how all this will go. And I really can't say enough to my friends that helped me out to install this. But one thing for sure, so we had a little problem with this left front. So when we were actually done installing everything. We couldn't install back the little ABS sensor wire, so we were like, you know what, fuck it, we'll leave it loose, but in the back where it wouldn't get tangled up and ripped. But the next day, I guess I hit a bump pretty good, the wire got loose and it ripped. And then here's a picture of how it looked like when it's ripped. And well, yeah, that's the bad part. Here's a picture of how it looks. Well, this is how the part looks like ripped. And well, it costed about like $40 to replace, but I did it within like 10 minutes of my time, you could say. I just had to remove the fender liner, of course, and the little plastic piece behind the fender liner. It's a plug and play thing. It's really, really easy. Nothing too bad, but back on topic now is this is what this beauty looks like now. Man, still need more things to do, but I really need to take my car back to a shop to fix the coating on there, as you could tell, because when I first got the car got crashed within 2 weeks. Sadly, someone backed up into me and then crashed the grill, the hood, and well, you already know the rest. They had to fix the hood, put a new coat on there, what's so forth. But when I did get the car back, maybe like 2 days later, the clear coat was coming off already. I'm like, okay, they did a pretty trash job. And then I took it back, they fixed it, and then maybe like not even a year already, the clear coat was already coming off. They're doing a pretty trash job. It's unlimited warranty. I'm gonna go take it back, but I just never had the time. But from there, yeah. So far we've done is just the coils. I really do like how the way they look, especially the back. Holy shit, still. That tuck. That goddamn tuck. It's like not even 2 fingers, like a finger worth, you could say. Like my pinky could go all the way in, but like my finger, that's like the best you could do. Not unless I could go sideways on my finger. But really love the job. Well, alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.